Hey everyone, and welcome to Rich Girl Code. We're going to go over the Multiple Income Streams GPT. It's one of our newest GPTs that you can actually buy the rights to resell. All right, so if you're ready to get into the business of software and digital marketing and all of that, get residual income, definitely want to join RGC GPT Master Resale Rights Business Platform. All right, so let's get into it. So first and foremost, we're just going to go to how do I use this GPT, and it's very simple. So hey boss, you've unlocked the Multiple Income Streams GPT, your AI-powered business strategist and marketing bestie in one. Here's how to use me to build, launch, and scale a widely profitable online business or multiple ones with clarity, automation, and time and freedom. So here's how to get started. So you want to answer these 5 quick questions so it can tailor a step-by-step plan for just your goals. All right, so this isn't a GPT where you're going to get just random output. It's actually been engineered to help you earn multiple different streams of income. All right, because we know that that's something that a lot of us need. It's not even just a desire anymore. It's actually a necessity, right? So you would answer these 5 questions like what your current income goal is. Let's say 10K a month. And then it says which niche or product are you most excited about? Let's say I'm just going to say faceless content because that's really popular right now, all right? And then it says, do you want to focus on services or digital products? Let's just say both, all right? And what tools or content do you already have? We're going to say ChatGPT. We're going to say a domain because you already have a site if you've purchased the licensing. And we're just, and Canva. We definitely have Canva. All right, and it says, how fast are you looking to earn the $10,000? Be honest. And we're just going to say in the next 30 days. All right. So it says what I can help you do is turn any niche into a multi-income stream business, create and sell digital products, PLR templates, ebooks, and courses. Automate your entire funnel using Funnel Frenzy, all right? And that's another thing. If you were to purchase the master resale license, you also have a site, a landing page, a whole site in Funnel developed for you that comes with that package, all right? So another thing is it sets up faceless brands and creates passive income systems. You can grow with affiliate marketing, bundles, all that stuff, all right? So let's get started. Let's click that link. All right, now as you can see, let's go. You've got you've got clear goals, and the perfect tools to make magic happen. So here's your 10K a month faceless brand blueprint designed for speed, automation, and long-term scalability. And that's what we want and that's what we need, right? We just don't want a one and done, sell an ebook, that's it. Like this GPT, our GPTs are customized so that you can get the most out of it when it comes to financial sustainability and bridging the gap of having residual income, not just that one and done income. So your business profile is 10K a month, faceless content empire, focus on both services and digital products, tools, ChatGPT, Canva, and a domain. Launch time 30 days to hit 1 to 10K. All right. So here's my step-by-step plan. I want to pick a profitable faceless niche. All right. It could be digital side hustles. It could be AI tools and tutorials, money tips and finance hacks, health and wellness hacks, all of this stuff. Phase 2, we're going to launch your faceless funnel. All right. And we already have a funnel platform for that. We are partnered with funnelfrenzy.co, so you can check that out. Set up a faceless funnel, automate your email list, plug and play, plus product equals fast launch, no stress. Phase 3, we're going to create monetized content. Let's see here, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube. As you can see, it breaks it all down for you guys. So all you have to do is literally just follow the steps, okay? So once the content is rolling, you want to stack, and this is what we call a stack. You want to sell your faceless content templates. You want mini course or a guide on how to launch faceless, offer done for you faceless branding kits and all of that stuff. And also, you know, we have, I'm not going to keep going, but we also have a faceless GPT, a custom faceless GPT that you can purchase as well, that teaches you everything about the faceless community, the faceless business, and all of that. All right. So this is just one of the ways that you can use multiple income streams GPT. All right. Now let's go to a new chat. All right. And this is the prompt library. Now the prompt library is very important, and it comes with the majority of all of our customized GPTs. It basically gives you copy and paste prompts to speed up your business planning, income stacking, automation, all of that. So these are organized by category, so you can plug into them, customize as needed, and, you know, just build income faster, smarter, and in style, right? So you have your business planning prompts, your monetization strategy prompts, digital production, all of that. I'm not going to keep going down because, again, you have to purchase in order to unlock all of these goodies and all of these gems. But as you can see, it's already been built in for you, all right? So you don't have to think about it at all. And then the let's get started is just basically probably going to ask us the same questions that it asked us just a minute ago to get us on our way, which we had already started, right? But this is your introduction. This is how it's going to greet you. Again, it's going to ask you questions so that it can have an understanding of what you're trying to do, how much you're trying to make, what niche you're in, what market, all of that stuff. The more that your GPT understands you, the better that it can help you, okay? So this GPT right here, multiple income streams, can help you go from just having one 9-to-5 or one side hustle to multiples. You know, there's some people that's using this that's making like 10 different income streams and actually, you know, using the platform to keep it all together, because that's what it's all about, working smarter, not harder. So I do hope that this has helped you, you know, understand how these GPTs can be used. Until next time, this is Dr. Christiana Anise from Rich Girl Code. Bye.